Good evening po sa inyong lahat. First of all, maraming salamat po sa oras ninyo sa pagpunta po ngayon. Sana po huwag niyo po kalimutan, December 25, Topak po.
Action star ka na daw, sabi ni Sylvia. Arjo!
Hello everyone, good evening. Again, maraming salamat. We know how busy this Christmas season is, pero gumawa pa rin kayo ng paraan to be here with us. And again, like what everyone said, this has been around, it's been such a privilege representing the Philippines in different territories. And to come home is just a different feeling. Dagdag na po yung 50th celebration ng Metro Manila Film Festival. And with us today, I see so much familiar faces. Nay Maricel, Tita Elvic, maraming salamat. I've not mentioned everyone, no, pero maraming salamat for being here. The directors I see upstairs, up there, maraming salamat po to everyone.